Welcome to this 10-minute mindfulness meditation to feel present and calm. This meditation will leave you feeling more grounded, relaxed, and connected to the present moment. So to begin, allow yourself to get comfortable. You can be seated or you can lie down for this meditation. And when you're ready, gently close your eyes and connect to this present moment. And take a few deep breaths, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. Allow yourself to let go of any stress you've been feeling. Let go of any tension in your forehead, your jaw, your neck, your shoulders, your chest, your abdomen, your hands, your legs, your feet. Allow your body to fully surrender in this present moment. Notice the physical sensations of breathing. Wherever that physical sensation of breathing is the most vivid to you, place your awareness there. You might feel it most in the rise and fall of your abdomen. Or maybe you feel it most in your nostrils. Wherever that sensation is the clearest, simply place your focus right there. Experience the inhale. Experience the exhale. Experience the in-between. And each time that you notice your mind has wandered, gently and non-judgmentally place your attention back on your breath. You might find it helpful to say within your mind, inhale each time you inhale, and exhale each time you exhale. By silently saying these words, you bring your attention back to your breath. Your mind will wander, and that's okay. Simply notice when it does. And with compassion and love for yourself, accept or acknowledge that your mind has wandered, and bring your awareness back to the physical sensation of breathing. Observe each breath as though it's the first breath you've ever taken. This is an opportunity to pay attention to this present moment. Simply notice and feel what it feels like to breathe in this present moment. And as the momentum of the mind draws your awareness away from your breath, kindly and gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Allow yourself to experience this moment, to be curious about this moment. And as you prepare to come out of this meditation, take a moment to feel this feeling of presence. Take a moment to experience it. To notice what it feels like in your body to be present. Offer yourself a little gratitude for taking the time to be present. And carry this feeling of presence with you as you go out into your day. May you be present. May you be peaceful. May you be gentle with yourself today.